Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a shape transparent or change shape opacity. Open your PDF file and select tools option. Now select comment option. Now click on your shape and select. Now click this color icon and here you will find this opacity option and decrease it and see this. The shape now transparent. Also transparent this shape, click on this shape and click right button for properties. This second way you can change, and here also you will find this appearance option of shape opacity and see this, and select OK and close it, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.